Hi, this is Tim. Welcome back to the Finest Education Center. Today is an important one because today discusses one of the biggest misconceptions and one of the biggest fallacies in all of finance. A fallacy being something that looks great on paper, logically should work, but in practice, throughout history, really doesn't. Really fails pretty miserably. And that's market timing. Okay, that's thinking that we know more than the thousands of global analysts and AI and technology that is trying to understand what's happening in the world. And it's the belief that we can time when the macro markets will go up or down better than they can. And when you put it that way, you start to understand why market timing never really works out. Let me give you one example. Okay, let's talk about a client who's in the locker room at work and something bad is happening in the world, and everyone in the locker room is talking about making their money safe until this blows over. Okay, so something bad like COVID-19 happens, and the market panics pretty quickly, down 30%. And while everybody is scared, they sell and make their assets safe, forgetting that the global markets are much smarter than all of us are, right? And they've already sold down the markets 30%. They've already tried to price in all of this panic and bad news. So we sell at the bottom and we make our assets nice and, quote, safe until we feel better about this situation. And you know, the painful irony here is that by the time we feel better, by the time the world feels better, by the time that there's a sunshine ray of hope, the global markets have already done what? They've already priced it in. They've already seen it coming. They've already bought their stock, and the markets have gone up. So what have you done? You sold low, and you have bought high. And that is the opposite of how we want to make money in the markets. You know, speak with your personal advisor, but it is such a better and healthier idea to have a long-term strategy that deals with the ups and downs of the markets. And if you're really smart and you're a long-term investor, you capitalize on moments of panic, on large deviations, and you buy when everyone else is panicking. That's not personalized advice. That's education. Talk to your advisor. Every situation is different. There are 1,001 strategies, but market timing, for sure, is not the way to go. I'm Tim Froberg from Finest Retirement Services. We'll see you at the next video.